Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. I am here to unbox my 3602A speakers from Cyber Acoustics. The reason I brought these speakers here because I'm replacing my Creative A250 speakers, which they are good, but the only thing I miss with my speaker system is my headphone jack. And with the Creative A250 that I have brought, didn't have a headphone jack. I usually had to unplug it from my HD monitor and plug in the speaker, plug in my headphones, etc., which I really didn't like. Previously, I had for so many years was Cyber Acoustics 3550 speakers, 8-inch, 2 satellites, subwoofer system, which kicked the bucket this year. I had them speakers a little bit in the early 2002. Yes, I had them that long, and they sounded so good, and I miss them. So these are 3602A speakers from Cyber Acoustics, supposed to be replacing that. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, as you see, I'm opening them up, getting there. I'm excited that they came today, so bear with me. They are open. Here, manual. As you see, always good to keep them, just to go ahead and refresh yourself with what to do, how to hook them up, etc. So that if you don't know how to hook up speaker system to your computer system, this will help you. Okay, coming out the box is, oh my gosh, woo! I'm struggling here, okay, but we'll get there. We are getting there. Okay, coming out first is the subwoofer. Nice, beefy, you know. Next, but not least, are the 2 satellites. Bear with me, they coming. Alright. These are 2 satellites. Bring that in the frame so y'all can see them. And over here we have the subwoofer, which is a 5.5-inch sub dome. Right here, 5.5. It has 30-watt potential, but high frequency can go ahead and climb up to 62 watts of power. It's pretty decent, pretty nice, good packing power for what I want. Got your subwoofer port up front, side firing. As you got the plug here, and this is what I was talking about when it comes to they got this thing pretty good. As you see here, nice controller here. Bring it a little closer. Okay. Okay, here you got your headphone jack, your auxiliary jack here, your control knob. You got your on and off switch on the side. Other than that, it's pretty good. Ain't gotta worry about it. It sits right up top on the desk there, so I'm pretty happy with that. Other than that, I'm great and happy to have purchased them from Amazon for about a little under about like $36.99. Not bad. If you go directly to their website, they're a little more for like $39.99 or $49.99 if I'm not mistaken. But other than that, these speakers are nice to have. I'm into getting into gaming, so I want to have something where I can, listen to my music, play a little games here and there. Just sit back and just relax like I normally do when I come home from work. And just enjoy me. I'm going to go ahead on and crank them up, let y'all hear the good sound of them. And right now, let me just go ahead and get them hooked up. Alright everybody, I'm back. And it took a while to hook them up, but they're nice. As you see, that's them right down the corner. As you see, I got my subwoofer on the floor right down to the bottom. Yeah, so it's pretty nice. So we're just going to do a sound test on them to see how good they sound. Eventually, I cannot play any copyrighted music because I don't have any written copyright statement from the artist, so that's forbidden. And if YouTube find me playing that, they're going to go ahead and give me a strike, and I don't want no strike. As you know, I'm trying to build my page up, so I'm working hard doing that. So just go ahead and get these babies a test run. And this is my little setup, by the way. I just got to do a lot of cable management going on. So, when you hook things up, you got to put the desk together and all the other nonsense. You just say, the hell with it. And then pretty much this is the finished product. But I'm gonna go ahead on and finish that out. So I'm going to go ahead and get some cable management from Amazon. They sell them pretty cheap on the low, so that's pretty good right there. But other than that, I'm going to go ahead and get these baby a nice good test run. Go ahead and give me a minute. I got to go ahead on and, go through the basic protocol with everything. But other than that, everything is nice. By the way, that's my 24-inch HD 1080p TV monitor. So other than that, it's running great. Sounds pretty crisp, clear. It's replacing my 3550 that I had for so long in 2001. I had to turn the bass up, so got the 5.5 subwoofer bumping. My satellite sounding crisp clear. That's what I like to hear. Crisp, clear, good sound. Yes, sir. All right, y'all subscribe to my channel. I'll go ahead and keep y'all posted on more good stuff coming y'all way. Y'all have a good one. Peace. Pick y'all up a good copy of these wonderful, great sounding speakers. I'm gonna go ahead and put the subscription in the link below. These are the CA 3602A, and these baby are nice and kicking. Wattage is 30 watts. Performance peak is 62 watts. And right now, this baby is bumping. I love them. Not bad, good. These not bad sounding speakers. Almost close to my CA3550 I had so many years, but this is a replace tool. I got my headphone jack. Go ahead on and replace the Creative A250, which I gave to my grandson. That's his PC over there, so he's gonna be doing his homeschooling pretty soon. So, but as you see, that's my bass number 1. Bass number 2. I'm gonna fix the cable management. I'm gonna go ahead on and order some cable management from Amazon. So that's coming on pretty soon. I gotta go ahead and tidy up this. Go ahead on and put some little RG stripping in the back, because this is my chill zone. This is where I do my editing. I do a whole lot of stuff. So I do editing. I do basically everything. I go ahead on and also I'm gonna start investing into the stock market, so I'm doing pretty good. Alright, y'all have a good one. Once again, I'll put the subscription in the link below. Please subscribe to my channel, and y'all have a good one.